Good morning to all. Today I am going to recite a poem from Honeycomb for class 7th. The title of the poem is Dad and the Cat and the Tree. It is written by Kit Wright. Before starting my poem, let's go through with this picture. As clear from the picture that there is a person and he has hold a ladder and he is setting that ladder against a tree, and we know very well that this is a tree that is very tall and unsteady means this is not a straight tree. ये एक सीधा पेड़ नहीं है. इस पेड़ की शाखाएं क्या है, ये देखो सीधा ब्रांचेस ऑफ द ट्री ये इधर उधर फैली हुई हैं. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट, as we are seeing that there is a cat which is sitting on a branch, and this man is observing the cat very carefully, and beside the man there are two persons, one lady and one child, and this is a scene of a garden maybe, and here is a boundary wall of the garden. So after understanding this picture, I am going to come on the main title of the poem, that the main title is Dad and the Cat and the Tree. So we can guess that this is dad of poet, and this is a cat and this is a tree. And what happened and why the dad is watching that cat very carefully, let's read and know. This morning a cat got stuck in our tree. What's the meaning of stuck? Stuck means फंस जाना. Sometimes a drawer stuck, sometimes a cork of a bottle, cork of a jar, that also stuck. So stuck means unable to move. Dad said, right, just leave it to me. So dad is a very bold and helpful person, and dad decided to help the cat to take out from the tree. So what efforts are done by the dad? In next paragraph, the tree was wobbly, the tree was tall. Mom said, for goodness sake, don't fall. In these two lines, the tree is described. The tree was wobbly. Wobbly means unsteady. See, this is not a straight tree. This is wobbly. Mum said, mum was very, and she is mum, means mama. Mama advised to dad, for goodness sake, don't fall. Fall, scoffed dad. Scoffed means mock, मजाक उड़ाना, मजाक में कहते हैं. Fall, a climber like me. Child's play mean easy task. This is, you wait and see. Dad consoled his wife by saying that he is a good climber and it was very easy task for him. He got out the ladder from the garden shed. What is ladder? This is lakdi ki seedi. This is called ladder. He got out the ladder from the garden shed. But what happened? It slipped. And after that, he landed in the flower bed. Slipped mean glide. फिसल जाते हैं. Never mind, said dad. After falling, Dad did not lose his confidence and said, "Never mind." Brushing the dirt. Brushing the dirt mean मिट्टी झाड़ना. ऐसे हम हाथों से मिट्टी झाड़ते हैं. Off his hair and his face and his trousers and his shirt. We'll try plan B. Now, Dad again think about another plan, and what happened? Stand out of the way. It is a phrase. Mom said, "Don't fall again, okay?" Fall again, said Dad. See the confidence of Dad. Fall again, said Dad. Funny joke. Funny joke mean ये तो मजाक की बात होगी कि मैं दोबारा से गिरूंगा. Then he swung himself up on a branch. Swung means move by grasping a support from below and leaping. Swung का मीनिंग जंप भी होता है. और वो एक ब्रांच को पकड़ते हैं जंप करके. तो what happened? It broke. But unluckily it broke. Dad landed wallop. Wallop mean fell heavily. It may be hit. It means धड़ाम से गिरना. Back on the deck. Mum said, "Stop it. You'll break your neck." Mama was very worried about Dad, so she was advising he must not do this type of activity to help the cat, because in this process he could break his neck, yeah, he got an injury. Rubbish, said Dad. Rubbish means nonsense. Now we'll try plan C. See the confidence, how courageous, how brave Dad is by nature. Easy as winking. Winking mean blinking. जैसे आंख मारना. आंख मार के देखो कितनी easy task है. बस आंख झपकी. Winking means blinking. कहते ये तो आंख झपकने जितना, आंख मारने जितना easy task है. To a climber like me. It means Dad is a very overconfident person. Again and again he is using this word. To a climber like me. Then to execute the plan C, what Dad did? He climbed up high on the garden wall. See the garden wall. He climbed up high on the garden wall. Guess what? He didn't fall. He gave a great leap and he landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk. Crook of the tree trunks mean a hooked part of something. Right on the cat. The cat gave a yell. Yell means cry. And sprang to the ground. The cat, afraid, and sprang to the ground. Sprang means jumped. Pleased as punch to be. Safe and sound. Safe and sound mean without any injury. It means without hurt. बिना चोट लगे. कैट जंप करती है और वहां से ग्राउंड पे नीचे आ जाती है. Pleased as punch to be mean happy. बड़े आराम से. So it's smiling and smirking. Smirking mean smiling in a way that expresses satisfaction. Smug as can be. But poor old Dad's still stuck up the tree. But poor old Dad's still stuck up the tree. So after reading the poem, students, we learn so many values regarding a person's trait, that how can we say that the person is overconfident, and we also must learn a lesson from dad's courage, that we must try again and again to help others. And one more thing we learned, that is how to interpret a picture, how to picture composition, picture किसी दृश्य को देख के when we see the scene, how to describe that picture. Thank you. Have a nice day.